for coming back and checking out a quick parcel opening. We're going to open up this parcel that we've got from XBmods. And I know there's a pick in there, which is why I'm being a little bit careful when I open it up. So yeah, as you can see, he's a lovely bloke. And there we have it, the original cunt pick. Absolutely amazing, look at that. Really nice. And I know this is one of two that he's made, one for me and one for Wes at WesPicks. I've seen him post his on Facebook already, so I thought I'd better do a quick video and get this posted. And I'm also going to put this on the new the BBs Custom Lockpicks group and Locksport groups. I'll put the links below if you want to check those out. But you'll earn crypto for posting pictures, short videos. You can earn the poster crypto for just liking their posts. So yeah, check it out and see what it's all about. It's still really new though. But yeah, thanks Jace, I really appreciate this, mate. Really nice. And yeah, two cunts, me and Wes. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll well, I might try and get something a quick pick now, but I'll change the camera around and yeah, see how it goes. Thanks for coming back and checking out another stock lock. You've probably just seen the vid where I was opening up my personalised pick, and yeah, from XBmods. So I'm really grateful for him for sending me that through. Really chuffed. And I saw he sent Wes one as well, and Wes has opened up an American padlock with it, and I haven't got an American lock, but I have got a WesPicks padlock. So I thought that's the next best thing, and I'll see if I can get this one open using my new cunty pick. That's the key. And let's see what we can do. I think I'm going to need this might be it now. Yeah. go, got the bastard. Yeah, so wicked pick, thank you very much, Jace. And yeah, I'm going to post this on those new groups on BBS markets, and that's where you can post pictures and you can earn crypto for posting, for liking, and just for generally participating and commenting and liking. And every picture that is posted and every post that is made within these lockpicking groups is actually converted to an NFT, a non-fungible token. And I'm talking gobbledygook to most of you out there, but log on using the links below, post a few pictures and just see what happens, and earn some free crypto, some free BBS tokens. Hold them, keep hold of them, and you'll be able to see what you can do with them a bit further on down the line. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.